You can get it to find round-trip flights, for example, from Seattle to New York with a set departure and return date. So note how it's now like searching for the departure and the destination airport, and it's also doing this step by step so you can actually see its reasoning in the chat interface. And then the next step is to open up the date picker and select the departure and return date. And that's what it does. And then you can see the next step is to click on search. And the really cool thing, and this is an error that I've hit with previous agents that I've tested out, is that they sometimes get stuck if the page doesn't load fast enough. Here, it has actually detected that since the page has not fully loaded, it's necessary to wait for it to load first before proceeding further. So here it's deciding to wait for the page to load completely before taking any further actions. And then after that has loaded, it's now going to click on the sort and filter dropdown and then sort by price. Or here's another example. Here's where the desktop app is more useful. So not only does it work on your web browser, but you can use other desktop apps like Word or PowerPoint or VS Code. So for example, here the user is getting this AI agent to help it edit this PowerPoint presentation. So here they prompted it with make the background color of slide 2 same as the color of the title from slide 1. Okay, so right now it's selecting slide 2 from the sidebar, and then it has detected that it needs to access the background color settings, and then it has decided to select the red color from the color palette, and that's pretty much it. It has successfully completed the task. Here's another really useful demonstration. So here the prompt is, please help me install the auto docstring extension in VS Code in the sidebar. So it first needs to open up VS Code. And then again, I love this feature. It has not fully loaded yet, so it's actually waiting for it to load first before proceeding. And then it has detected that it needs to access the extensions view in VS Code. So now it's clicking on that. And then next, it needs to type in auto docstring in the search bar in order to search for the extension. And that's exactly what it does. And then next, it has decided to click the install button to install the extension. And that's pretty much it. Again, you can see that it has successfully completed the task. So a really useful tool for automating a lot of different things.